Mohit Arora will say a few words about Smart Hub Vyapar. After that, we will open the forum for questions. And may I request that you restrict your questions to today's launch. Other queries can be taken offline. The floor is all yours, sir.
Thank you, Mohit. So good afternoon once again, everyone, and welcome to all our friends from media. Thank you once again for making the time to meet us today. And I apologize once again, sir. Slightly we got delayed. There was a communication gap. Thank you. I would especially like to extend my warmest wishes to each one of you during this festive season. Coming to the reason we have gathered here today, in today's digital and fast-moving world, a merchant faces numerous challenges while running his merchant establishment. These challenges are, actually speaking, he is to reconcile the different businesses done, which is actually, I tell you, this app, if you have a lot of traders and merchants, your friends also, your relatives also, please help them in referring to this app. It will be very helpful to them, I must tell you. There are too many payment modes, UPI, SMS, cards, too many payment modes a trader has to receive. Which for bigger trader it doesn't matter, it doesn't matter at all. But for a smaller merchant it becomes actually complex system actually. Then giving training to counter staff. Every time you have the POS, you have to QR code, you have to send SMS. There is a training given to counter staff, and there is a lot of dependency on the physical registers also to know the outstanding payments. Then if a person has a multiple outlets, then they need to have the consolidated view of entire transactions done. Then billing and cash management on the counter. Then multiple transaction reports, multiple service providers. With this new Smart Vyapar Hub, SBI Bank has provided solution to solve all these problems and many more. As we saw in the videos, the latest offering from SBI Bank is comprehensive payments and banking solution designed to fulfill the everyday business needs of the merchants. Some of the key benefits which Smart Hub Vyapar provides are as easily acceptance the payments. You can easily accept the payment, UPI, cards, anything. Even you can send SMS. Supposing you have purchased something from merchant, he can just send a SMS link to your mobile and you can pay from mobile. Now everybody has a smartphone actually. Actually we have in this part of the country, we are very, very deeply penetrated. So the SMS link will come to you. You can pay through, and mostly you either pay through QR, UPI. In this, even the QR code is there. You can pay through credit card also, both debit and credit cards. That is also one more advantage. So you can pay UPI, credit card, debit card, or you can also pay through SMS link also. And again, SMS link, you can pay through transfer from your account, from debit card, credit card. It depends on the customer requirements, whom the merchant is dealing. That is very powerful. Then banking is very easy. Merchant also get instant access to funds. He can see the entire funds in his account, what are the funds there, what is the fund flow, so then he can plan accordingly. And most important part, which is not in many other apps, he has an offer of pre-approved loans also. He can get the loans without any hassle, without any documentation, within 10 seconds only. He has to just press a button, radio button is there, he can just press a button, and the amount will get credited depending upon the eligibility of the customer or merchant into his account. That is a very, very big thing for a merchant, because in Diwali season particularly, sometimes a merchant has to stock things, but they have to run here and there. Small merchant, they can, this is a very good app for small merchant. They can get funds at the click of button only. Then he can also increase sales by devising some offers. You have seen in the video also. Local person, he can, supposing he wants to run some offers during Navratra is already over, some run offers for Diwali season or Dhanteras. He can just click through that, create through that, and send to all the customers which he having, or also publicize in the social media. So it will help him to improve his sales. In fact, it is a very good tool for the merchants to be connected with his customers. So not only the improving sales to one way, connecting also is one way also. I'll give you some of the metrics which have been very encouraging for us. In the last 1 year, and we had done the beta launch earlier, we have grown exponentially, and now we plan that by end of this month we will have added 1 million merchant into this platform. 1 million across the country. I think it's very big merchant fraternity who is there. Volumes also, now we are expecting to cross 6,000 crore of volumes on this app. And our transaction, if I say From the modest volume of 290 crores, we have now grown more than 20 times, of course, we have told you. And if the geo presence, our presence, we are presence in almost 100% branches in this app. Through the 81% of the pin code across the country we are covering, and 72% cities we are covering with this app. More than 1 lakh customers who have used this app, they have rated it 4.9 out of 5. You can well imagine. And I am proud to say no other app has, which are similar apps in the market, has such a high rating, which is, I think, speaks volumes itself, that how the customers have rated themselves by using this app, because it's a not only providing your solution for receiving payments, making things your easy, making your business easier, and the most important part is you also can get the loans also immediately with this app, which is actually one-stop solution for all the needs of the merchant which are in the market. One-stop solution for everything. And most important, you must have seen there's a you can speaker also. When you make transaction, there is a speaker also that the payment of so and so amount received. You have to put a separate speaker for the charges are separate. Here, everything is in one mobile. You will get the voice message from the mobile phone only. So mobile phone is actually a very powerful app. I would say one of the latest app in the country, which is covering the entire spectrum for all the transaction needs. We have done a lot of research, and since we are dealing with the merchant for long time, in fact since 1995 when we started the bank, we are dealing with merchants only, so we know their pulse. So entire requirements have been put and considered into one app. Ready for any Q&A you have, please sir.
सर वो आप टैप कर रहे हैं, जैसे कि जो मिल जाता है कार्ड हमारा, उसे जाके शॉप पे
देखो सर, आप एक चीज़ बड़ी अच्छी होती है, आपने बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट रेस किया, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी। अगर आप हमारा कार्ड यूज़ करते हैं, मुझे बाकियों का पता नहीं, वी आल्सो गिव यू माई कार्ड्स ऐप आल्सो। आप उस ऐप पे अपना कार्ड कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं। मेरे पास 4 कार्ड है, मैं एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ, मेरा, मेरी वाइफ का, मेरे दोनों बच्चों का, उनका तीनों का एड ऑन कार्ड है। मेरे पास एक कार्ड कंट्रोल होता है ऐप, मैं आपको पता नहीं आपको दिखा पाऊंगा नहीं दिखा पाऊंगा। आई थिंक आप लोगों को करना चाहिए, अगर आपने नहीं किया ना तो मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है,
बहुत जरूरी है।
बहुत जुड़ी। देखो सर, ये ऐप है माई कार्ड्स, पता नहीं देख पा रहे, ये माई कार्ड्स ऐप होती है। इस ऐप पे जाके आप एक ऑप्शन था कार्ड कंट्रोल, उस पर आप हर ट्रांजेक्शन कंट्रोल कर सकते हो। सर मैं आपको रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, आप सब लोग अपने कार्ड की ट्रांजेक्शन को कंट्रोल आज ही करना। कारण क्या है, बड़ा अच्छा पॉइंट सर ने रेस किया, बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट सर ने रेस किया है कि कोई आपका कार्ड लेगा तो 5,000 ट्रांजेक्शन कर गया, कार्ड तो आपका ही है, उसमें आप कंट्रोल कर सकते हो कि मेरी टैप ट्रांजेक्शन जैसा मेरा बेटा बॉम्बे पड़ता है, उसको मैंने 1,000 रुपये की दी ट्रांजेक्शन, कि भाई तू यू कांट 1,000 रुपये मैं रिस्क ले सकता हूँ, आई कांट टेक मोर देन 1,000। मेरे बड़े वाइफ को कोई भी नहीं दिया, वो कहते हमें चाहिए नहीं टैब वाला पंगा, मैं पूरा 5,000 करता हूँ। आई थिंक वी आर हैविंग सम सिग्नल प्रॉब्लम, मे बी आई विल हैव, वैसे 2 है, मैं कोशिश करता हूँ, आ गया, मैं आपको बताता हूँ। आई डोंट नो वेदर यू विल एबल टू सी और नॉट, पर मैं कोशिश करता हूँ। इसे क्या, आप कार्ड कंट्रोल से इवन नॉट ओनली सर, नॉट ओनली टैब वाली, यू कैन इवन कंट्रोल दी ट्रांजेक्शन्स। लाइक आपने अगर कोई ऑनलाइन ट्रांजेक्शन करनी है, जैसे ऑनलाइन, अच्छा आप बाहर नहीं जाते तो आप अपने कार्ड को इंटरनेट यूसेज बंद कर दो। इफ यू आर नॉट डूइंग अब्रॉड, मैंने बंद की हुई है, जब मैं अब्रॉड जाता हूँ तो मैं ऑन करता हूँ अपनी इंटरनेट यूसेज, मैं पहले ऑन करूँ। आप अपने ट्रांजेक्शन की लिमिट कर दो, मैंने 50 से ऊपर ट्रांजेक्शन ऑनलाइन कोई नहीं करनी। मर्चेंट पे मोर देन, मान लो किसी को आपका पिन भी पता लग गया, चलो एक खुदा ना खास्ता वो भी मान लेते हैं, आप उसकी भी लिमिट कर दो कि मेरी ट्रांजेक्शन मर्चेंट पे नॉट मोर देन 25,000 ट्रांजेक्शन होगी, सारी लिमिट कर सकते हो। इंटरनेशनल
अपने आप पे रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर दोगे फिर तो
नहीं, तो यू कैन चेंज एनी टाइम ना,
किसी वक्त करना पड़ेगा ना पहले चेंज।
तो आप देखो सर,
पेट्रोल पंप पे आप टैंकी,
देखो सर, नॉर्मली आपकी आप 50,000 तक करो ना, नॉर्मली 50,000 रुपये तक वो पता 50 रुपये ट्रांजेक्शन आपकी नहीं होती, 50,000 रुपये, 50,000 मैंने 50,000 किया हुआ है, मेरी 50,000 रुपये ट्रांजेक्शन होती नहीं है। कभी मोबाइल फ़ोन परचेज किया तो इससे ट्रांजेक्शन मेरी होगी ज़्यादा, तो होनी नहीं। 50,000 से आप जब गए लेने,
उसमें बैनर ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है, आई कैन चूज आउट ऑफ 3-4 बैनर्स विच बैनर आई वांट टू चूज, what is the my campaign line, and I can offer the discount 5%, 10%, 50 rupees off on 500 transaction, and I can build and start the transaction on that particular campaign. Now I can share that offer on social media through Instagram, Facebook. If I, as a customer, as a merchant, I have saved all the contacts of my customers जो मेरे रूटीन में आते हैं मेरे पास, I can share that offer on WhatsApp also. So Facebook, yes, the entire flow will go with banner that what is the offer, what is the duration of the offer, 1st October to 15 October, this much spent, this much discount, everything will go.
नीचे ऑनलाइन पेमेंट का भी कोई लिंक होगा?
No, that is just a campaign. That is not for payment.
ऑनलाइन कह रहे हैं ना कि ऑनलाइन.
So that is a different story. Suppose you have ordered something to me on my shop, and you don't want to come to my shop for payment. I can send you an SMS.
मैं आपको SMS लिंक भेज दूंगा, आप SMS लिंक क्लिक करोगे, you can make from SMS
Sitting
लिंक.
at home, you can pay through your debit card. credit card.
आपको दुकान आने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर मर्चेंट की शॉप है, वो उसने 2 किलोमीटर दूर अपना कस्टमर को, अपने एम्प्लॉय को भेज दिया सामान देने के लिए, then for making payment you need not to pay cash. He will just send a SMS link on your mobile phone. You can click on link and then it will open the page. You can make either through UPI or you can make through debit credit card as per the customer need.